Esau, and laid his mountains and his heritage waste for the dragons of the wilderness.
Caves, that's why he was put into caves, he fled into caves. Yeah.
Whereas Edom saith, we are impoverished, but we will return and build the desolate places.
Yeah.
Thus saith the Lord of hosts, they shall build, but I will throw down.
Right, and what do? They built. Anywhere they went, they built. They built up their land. They took it and they built it up.
Gentlemen, tell me more about the 12 tribes of Israel. I know they're all white.
Okay. Where are you from, sir? What country are you from?
I was born as
What was your father?
a relation of a slave in Barbados.
Are you from Barbados?
Yes, I'm 80% Nigerian,
Okay.
and the rest of me is Russian.
Where's your father from?
Barbados was all that. I'm not sure where you came from originally, but you all came as slaves to Barbados, didn't they?
This is something black there, okay? Alright, so from Barbados, let's just say it's from Barbados. I don't make him a Benjamin. My parents are from Barbados. You be a Benjamin. That's who we are. When you call yourself a black man or a Negro, that's not us. Right? We are Israelites. That's who we are.
We're not Hebrews.
Well, Hebrew goes up to my bar. It's called a bar. You speak Hebrew. Shammai, Yashallah, Noah, that's our language. Okay? But this is who we are. We're Israelites. We're sons of Jacob. Abraham, Isaac, Jacob.
Yep.
You know, the children of the promise. Right? But what happened to us, we got the laws of God. You know the story of Abraham, the son of Isaac.
Yeah.
This is what happened to us. When we went to when you come down from the mountain, we had the tablets, yeah? And we said, right, these are the laws, but you guys, you Israelites, are going to keep.
Yeah.
And when he was up there, what happened?
They built an idol and
Yes.
worship all sorts of crap.
Right, so
Yeah.
that's what's been happening ever since.
To all people.
To us, the Israelites. Idol worship. Even today. What would you like? We worship Christmas. I mean, do you celebrate Christmas? Easter? All those things?
I know that Christmas is wrong. This is a white man's interpretation.
That's a Babylonian.
Okay.
Yeah, but these are the things we're still doing today. Right? The laws, the only way to get verses is to come back to the laws of God. Because we are the greatest people on earth. Even though we're in a low state. Who's the best boxer? Who are the best athletes? Who are the best mathematicians?
Scientists, astrologists, you name it.
Yes, that's us.
I know.
Because we are the children of God. So just imagine if we come back to our true state. Where when the one from Jesus Christ comes back, he's going to put us back to our true state. That's real. Get me that in
I want to talk to many people I know have been talking about the book of Deuteronomy. And there's a I need to take a picture of this. Or have you got a camera? No, I need to take a picture of it.
Thank you.
There are different interpretations. One guy said to me, in Deuteronomy, there's a statement about the curses.
Deuteronomy.
Is it Deuteronomy 28? I've been searching for it. So I'm not sure if this person is interpreting it, but it talks about, one book saying, it talks about you will be taken from your country, taken to another country, and your wives will be separated. Now is that in Deuteronomy?
I'm going to read it.
Interpretation is
I'm going to read it.
Is it in the King James Version?
Yeah, King James. Deuteronomy 28, you start from the top. This is the blessings and the curses. I'm going to show you some of the curses. This is how we know where the Israelites, because the curses will only line up with a certain people, not them Jewish people.
But those white ones?
Yeah,
They're just crap. They're nothing.
now they are something. They are our wicked brother. See our wicked brother? They're the Israelites. That's who they are. The wicked one. Yeah? Cain, come from that. Cain, the wicked one.
Yeah.
I read that.
It's the book of Deuteronomy chapter 28 verse 1.
Right?
And it shall come to pass, if thou shalt hearken diligently unto the voice of the Lord thy power.
Do you know what hearken means?
No, tell me. Listen.
Okay.
To observe and to do all his commandments which I command thee this day,
Right, he gave us commandments. He said, do these commandments. Right, read them.
that the Lord Yahweh will set thee on high above all nations of the earth.
Right. He said, if we listen to him, we'll be on high above all nations. Yeah? Now, the blacks, Hispanics, and these people, when you look at them, are they above everyone today? Right?
Who? These
These
guys?
people. These people there. See these people on the side? They're the Dominicans, the Negroes.
No, they're not
Are
at
they
all.
above everyone?
No way.
Read that again.
That the Lord thy power will set thee on high above all nations of the earth.
Right? Read that.
It says here, and all these blessings shall come on thee and overtake thee, and if thou shalt hearken unto the voice of the Lord thy power.
Right, so that would have been the blessings. Now jump to the 15th verse. Let's see what happens if you don't.
Book of Deuteronomy chapter 10.
No. Not from 15th. 15th. Was that the 15th?
Yeah, I'm going to jump to it.
Oh, okay.
Book of Deuteronomy chapter 20, verse 15. It shall come to pass, if thou wilt not hearken...
Listen, yeah.
If you're not this time, if you do, is you go blessed high. If you're not, right, we know.
If it shall come to pass, if thou wilt not hearken unto the voice of the Lord thy power,
Right.
to observe to do all his commandments and his statutes, which I command thee this day, that all these curses shall come upon thee and overtake thee.
Go, continue.
It says here, cursed shalt thou be in the city, and cursed shalt thou be in the field.
Right, so who are the people cursed? Who's in the ghettos? Right, so cursing, who's in the field? Picking the cotton and whatnot. Right, cursing the city, cursing the field, don't be though.
Cursed shall be thy basket and thy store. Cursed shall be thy fruit of thy body.
Basket, no store, right? Basket is you're bringing in vegetables and all that. Who was picking that? Who was picking the crops and cutting the sugar cane? Who was benefit from it? Not us, right? So we know.
Cursed shall be the fruit of thy body and the fruit of thy land, the increase of thy kine and the flocks of thy sheep.
Right, we know.
Cursed shalt thou be when thou comest in, and cursed shalt thou be when thou goest out.
This is Michael Jackson. How was he? When he went out, when you saw him. When you look cursed to you? James Brown. They can be rich at one thing, but they go out cursed because the Lord said this place is not where you're supposed to prosper because you're under curses. You might have people so called rich, but who signed in their checks?
So what do we do with the rest of the people? Do we start repenting?
Yes, come back to the same Deuteronomy 28. Start keeping the laws to the best of your ability. Even though you've got laws about having certain garments supposed to be of one thread, like linen or whatever, they're mixing it.
That's the
We don't
thing.
own
That's
them. Yeah, we don't own them.
the problem is that we are so engrossed in plastic. All the garments that we are wearing these days are not the original garments, and we're suffering from it. Your health is going down.
We used to wear silk and stuff like that, didn't we?
It's absolutely lovely.
And don't you go to some of the next coast?
Very important.
Jump to 48.
Deuteronomy chapter 20, verse 48. Therefore shalt thou serve thine enemies, which the Lord shall send against thee, in hunger and in thirst and in nakedness and in want of all things.
Right, so we have to go to the other nations to get everything we want. When we got clothes, carbon kind or whatever we want.
Yeah.
Food, what did you say? Read that again.
In hunger and in,
We have to go to get our food. Tesco's and all that, that's not us. Yeah?
and in thirst,
Drinks, Jim Beam, that's not so called. Yeah?
No.
And we go.
and in nakedness
Clothes.
and in want of all things.
So everything we have to go to the.
We're gonna have to
Just a ship.
yeah, the camera.
I
It started to rain, yeah.
just finished surgery.
Okay. Just gonna close it at the moment because
Anyway, that's what you got. So you got
it's starting to rain heavily. You don't want the camera to get destroyed.
Yes.